Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notification of USB device issues in Windows 10. So this is gonna be a very easy and pretty simple straightforward tutorial for you guys. So let's jump into it. So first you just have to go to the start menu, then you have to go to the settings option. Here you can see the setting option, click on settings option. And in the settings menu you have to go to the devices option, click on devices option. After getting in the device option, you can, in the left menu you can see the last option is USB. You just have to click on the USB option here, and now you can see there's an option called notify me if there are issues connecting to USB device. So if you don't want to be notified from when you plug in a USB devices, so you just have to unmark the check from here. Or if you want to be notified if there are issues connected to USB device, you just have to mark it again. So that's it. This is a very simple, pretty easy tutorial for you guys. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll be uploading more videos of Windows 10 like this. So thanks for watching again.